Hello everyone, I am Pavli and welcome back to Gen Z Kidsology. If you are new to this channel, then I make content which is very helpful to children like journaling for children, kids activities, recipes which are kids friendly, etc. etc. And if you are interested in these kind of content, then do support my work by subscribing to this channel. Alright, and now before anything else, dear friends, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Now all I wish from 2021 are two simple things. One is it should be kinder to us, and second is that finally I should get a chance to eat the roadside pani puri. Very simple wish, right? I know. So I'm just saying it loud to the universe so that I do get a chance it comes true. Alright. So dear friends, during these Christmas holidays, when I was just randomly surfing on the internet, I came across an article wherein they were sharing some fun facts on New Year. And that's when I read upon few more facts which are around New Year. I found them to be truly interesting. So I thought that I would share it with you all also. And so this video. So I'm ready, you are ready. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Fact number 1. So do you know that which are the nations which celebrate New Year first? Think. It is the Pacific Island nation of Samoa and parts of Kiribati. The Pacific Island nation of Samoa and parts of Kiribati rings in the New Year first. They celebrate throughout the nation at each village's maniba or meeting house where all social and political activity takes place. Fact number 2. We have spoken about the nation which rings in the New Year first. So now tell me, which are the nations which celebrate New Year at the last? It is American Samoa. It is actually the second to last place to celebrate the New Year behind Baker and Howland Island, which are both uninhabited. Some tourists take advantage of the time difference by flying from Samoa to American Samoa to celebrate twice. I know, it's crazy, right? Fact number 3. Do you know that who introduced the Gregorian calendar? You can thank Pope Gregory XIII for making a new year start on January 1. The Gregorian calendar was introduced in October of 1582 by Pope Gregory XIII as a revised version of the Julian calendar. It took almost 350 years for the world to get on board. Turkey did not make the switch until 1927. Fact number 4. We all know that the first month of the year is January. But have you ever thought that why is the month called as January? Well, the reason behind it is quite deep. It's been widely reported that the month was named for the Roman god Janus, but it's actually rooted in the Latin word Janua, which means door. The name was chosen to symbolize the opening of a new door that happens when the new year begins. Now we all know that why January is called January, and it makes real sense, doesn't it? Fact number 5. So we all make resolutions for our new year, right? But do you know that which is the most common resolution for New Year's across the world? Yes, think about it. You know, I can see you all smiling. Yes, it is to exercise more frequently and also to lose weight. And did you know that 80% of these resolutions fail by February? So far I have shared 5 facts with you all, and we still have 5 more facts to go. And if you are liking the video so far, then do like, comment and share it with your friends also, so even they can enjoy by listening to these facts. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yes? Fact number 6. Now we all follow Gregorian calendar system, right? No, wrong, because not all countries follow the Gregorian calendar system. Ethiopia has its own calendar system. An Ethiopian year has 13 months and is 7 years behind the Gregorian calendar. Number 7. Do you know of any other country which has its own calendar system? Yes, you might be already knowing the answer, but if not, then let me share it with you all. It is North Korea. They do not use the normal Gregorian calendar like most of the world. Instead, it uses a different calendar system called the Douche calendar for numbering the years, and year 1 of this calendar began on Kim Il-sung's birthday. And who is Kim Il-sung? He is the founder of North Korea. It's very interesting, right? Fact number 8. There is a song called as Long Player. It was launched on January 1, 2000, and do you know that it takes 1,000 years to complete? Composer Jem Finer wrote the piece called Long Player, which can be heard at London's Trinity Buoy Wharf. It's being performed by Singing Bowls and is set to start all over again immediately after it finishes in 2999. Now I got really curious that how is this song Long Player, so I went ahead and googled it, and I also listened to one of its version on YouTube. So if you're also curious and interested to listen to this song, then you can just Google about it, or else you can even listen to it on YouTube. Fact number 9. Now the New Year's party at Times Square is very famous, but how did it start? The annual tradition of gathering in Times Square for New Year's started as a party to celebrate the opening of the New York Times building in 1904. And over 2 lakh people attended that party. And finally, fact number 10. Now this fact is related to the New Year's party which is held at Times Square. So let's see what it is. 2,000 pounds of confetti are dropped during the New Year's party at Times Square. Confetti may not be a new concept, but in 2015, Wishfetti became a part of the tradition. People write their wishes for the new year and submit them to the wish wall in the Times Square. And those wishes are turned into confetti that falls over the crowd at midnight. I can just imagine the Wishfetti falling over the crowd during a party, and it feels beautiful. But the only thing that I am concerned about is the litter and trash that is generated the next day. Yes, dear friends, so these were the 10 fun facts which I found around New Year. And these fun facts I have gathered over the internet in sites like Insider, Good Housekeeping and Kick-Ass Facts. I had real fun researching for this video and also filming the video. And if you too had fun, if you too enjoyed this video, then do like, comment and share it with your friends so that even they can have a look at these facts. And also subscribe to this channel and hit on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you all very soon with a new video. Until then, take very good care of yourselves. Stay safe, stay happy. See you soon. Bye.